Okay, you wanna drink water too, Roy? Drink water? Oh, water. Oh. Water, oh, water. Ganahan og tubig day si Kyle, no?
Ganahan magduwa. Di na hilig tubig.
Di siya tagnawon sa swimming pool. Na, nagdula siya water. Katong sa pangbata. Oh, katong linya nakakita man ko. Lalom Japon to? Maulagi daw huga. Oh, natanabi to mi sa diha.
Ligo mo yung tinglaw mo man.
Lalom kay jud ay?
Dili eh.
No?
Di ka ba mo lang mo? Lumos.
Lumos jud ka, oh, mao magaling. Where are you going, Roy? Do not run cause you're drinking water. Come on, give it to Mama, be. Give it to Mama the water. Hmm? Where's baby Kioni? No, give it to Mama. Roy, give it to Mama, please. That will get dirty. Come here. Oh, fire truck. Bus. It was a bus. A while ago, you saw a water truck. Oh. Oh, bird. Oh, let's go back. Roy, let's go to Kyle. Come on, let's go to Kuya Kyle. Roy, let's go to Kuya Kyle. There's a lot of birds. Oh, bird. Come on, let's go to Kuya Kyle. Roy. What are you doing? What? Now you're gonna get dirty. You wanna crawl there? The wheels on the bus goes round and round, round and skidamarinka-dinka-ding, skidamarinka-doo. Like that, Roy? Skidamarinka-dinka-ding. Nice shoes. That's dirty, Roy. Huh? Yeah, we're gonna wipe your hand. Come on, let's wipe your hand, Roy. Oh no! Kyle is crying, Roy. Wipe your hand. Wipe your hand. Si Madam Joy. Madam Joy is here. Come here. Hey, you're... That's too much na, Roy, ha? Stand up. Stand up, Roy. Stand up. Come on. You stand up. Stand up. Hello. Good afternoon. Madam Joy is here. Na, good afternoon, Madam Joy.
Hi! May pa si Roy. Oh, kailan na si Roy.
Ay, sus, ay. You remember Madam Joy? Ay, sus.
One more.
Flying kiss. Flying kiss too.
Ready?
Ay, so cute.
One more.
Ay mo.
Roy. Why na kasi Roy mo smile?
Napik ka po to, Madam Joy? Ay, sus, ay. Oh, It's a water truck. Water truck. Truck ko no truck ark. Oh.
Itong lawan. Kumayo, nakalipay ni Roy. Oy.
Yes.
Mas ganahan siya ng 5 years.
Make sure.
Paabot na siya.
Nagma-
Kyle, oh. Paabot na.
Naimuot pa si Kyle, oh. Nag-smile pa si Kyle. Mawala lang siya ibo kanyang baba. Kyle is smiling too. Oh, mana din siya kadugayan. It's just, yeah, it's a car. Yes, car.
Katawa siya pati na pag-isip.
That is a car. Ay, just...
Hello, oy. Cute naman kay si Roy. Oy.
Nabuyag. Oh, come here.
Sa una kay mahal na po siya. Hindi ko kay double purpose.
Oh,
Mahal po si Kyle.
oh, mao jud. Where's Roy? Oh, you're hiding there behind the palm tree?
What's it siya?
He's... Hinduol na lang siya. Okay, wala. Na. Hi, where you going? Come back here. Na? Uy, baby Aika is awake na? Oh, naglangi. Baby Aika, oh. Na, baby Aika. Oh. Go to baby Aika. Oh. Go to baby Aika. Come on. Careful. Yes, baby Aika. Ay, no touching on the toys of Aika, ha? Oh, na? Oh, baby Aika. Hello. It's just good. Naligaw siya sa truck. Oh, come on. Say hello to baby Aika. Oh. Buyag ni baby Aika, oy. Mura po siya si Cherry sa unang panahon lagi. Hello. Ay, no, kay madirty iya ang pacifier. I'm sorry. Oh. Mahadla na po si baby Aika. Gamay. Hadla na po siya.